Welcome to the course on nouns number. First of all, let me thank you for having opted for this course. Let me take you through a brief description of what the course is all about and how it can benefit you. So let's get started. The course is divided into different pillars. Pillar 1 will talk to you about your coach. Pillar 2 gives us the definition or the description of nouns. Nouns are otherwise commonly known as naming words. Pillar 3 talks about the rules that we require to follow in order to change a certain noun from singular to plural. Rule 1 gives you the simplest way of changing a singular noun to a plural. Chapter 2 of this pillar is the Rule 2, which again gives us certain ways of changing a singular noun to a plural, which we will be looking at as we go into the course. Chapter 3 is the third rule. Again, a rule to change certain nouns from their singular form to the plural. Chapter 4, Rule 4, changing certain nouns which end with the consonant Y and how they need to be changed to the plural. Chapter 5 is again Rule 5, where changing words ending with F or FE to the plural is what we are going to learn. Rule number 6 under Chapter 6 talks about nouns ending with a vowel and an O, how they change from singular to plural. And the last rule, rule number 7, is about nouns which end with a consonant followed by the letter O and how they change to plural. The next pillar, pillar 4, is about irregular nouns. Now, irregular nouns are called thus because they do not follow the rules that we have spoken about. They are different forms in the singular and the plural. We will be looking at many such examples of irregular nouns. And then we have an activity where you are going to fill in the blanks of the nouns which are in a singular, and you will give the plural irregular nouns for those singulars. And there is one more activity which asks you to give the plural form of certain nouns which are given to you. So, well, these activities are actually fun-filled and you may find them brain teasers because yes, you really have to think and put down your answers. So please do attempt these activities. I am sure you will enjoy doing them. Talking about the benefit of this course is, the first thing is that you learn the proper way to change a singular noun to its plural by following all the rules that have been taught in this course. The second thing is that you increase your vocabulary because you are going to learn so many words constantly and understand how you change the number of those particular nouns. So when I say number, I don't mean 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean a single into many or one and many as we learned in our primary classes. So with this, I will leave you to take up the course in detail and enjoy yourselves, and do let me know how you find the course. Thank you. Pillar 5 of the course Nouns Number deals with a mastery activity. In this activity, you would be working out on nouns, and you would be even giving the plural form of those nouns along with the rule that you have followed or applied in order to convert them from the singular to the plural. Well, I hope you're going to have a good time taking up this activity. I really enjoyed creating it for you. Thank you.